Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Johnston, local and long distance movers near me. Relocation within a 100-mile radius and below is facilitated by local movers. They charge per hour and ensure that your items are conveyed from one end of the city to another within that radius. One of the advantages of enlisting the services of local movers is that they have information about the neighborhood within the city, and you can get valuable information from them that will assist you in making the right decisions regarding your move. Local moving companies like 3 Movers will ensure that your local relocation is without a hitch. Whether you're moving across town or the country, 3 Movers' commitment to customer satisfaction and affordable rates make us excellent choices for stress-free moves. 3 Movers are your go-to long-distance movers if your relocation is covering a distance more than a 100-mile radius. This is because they have an exceptional network of partners across 190 nations of the world that are committed to ensuring the smooth transportation of your official and household items and other goods across the distance you desire. 3 Movers are renowned for giving honest moving rates, and you can be assured of getting efficient relocation at a fair price while enjoying the relocation process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Johnston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.